Welcome to the Imagine channel. Today we're taking you on a thrilling journey into the future of work. Imagine a world where the office as we know it has completely transformed. Get ready to explore remote work in the year 2040, a glimpse into the future of virtual offices, where innovation meets convenience. Picture this. It's the year 2040 and everything has changed. Cities are bustling with flying cars, autonomous drones, and no office buildings in sight. That's right. The traditional office has become a relic of the past, a distant memory. But how did we get here, to this point of transformation? Let's rewind and understand the evolution of remote work and the groundbreaking technologies that have shaped this new era. The seeds were sown in the early 2020s, when the global pandemic forced millions to work from home. Companies quickly adapted to remote work technologies, and employees discovered newfound flexibility and productivity. Fast forward to 2040, and remote work is the norm, powered by advancements in virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and beyond. The transition wasn't without its challenges, but the benefits far outweighed the hurdles. Welcome to the home office of 2040. Imagine a space where you can customize your work environment with a flick of your wrist. Need a change of scenery? Switch from a tranquil beach to a sleek modern office in seconds. But that's just the beginning. Ever dreamt of collaborating with colleagues from across the globe as if you're all in the same room? Well, now you can. Virtual reality has revolutionized the way we work. Put on your VR headset and step into a virtual office where your coworkers appear as lifelike avatars. Brainstorming sessions, meetings, and even coffee breaks have never been this immersive. Don't believe us? Just wait until you try it. Let's dive deeper. In this virtual office, your desk is not just a desk. It's a dynamic, interactive workspace that adapts to your needs. Holographic displays project your documents in 3D, allowing you to manipulate data with your hands. Need to review a project? Simply pull up the files mid-air, adjust their size, and make notes directly on them. The future of work is here, and it's more intuitive and engaging than ever before. And let's not forget about our AI assistants. Meet Ava, your personal AI work companion. Ava schedules your meetings, manages your emails, and even anticipates your needs. Running late for a virtual meeting? Ava's got you covered with real-time traffic updates and alternative routes. It's like having a personal assistant and project manager rolled into one. Impressed? We thought so. Astonished. Holographic displays have taken presentations to a whole new level. Instead of staring at a flat screen, imagine your data and reports floating in mid-air, fully interactive and manipulable. Need to highlight a key point? Just reach out and touch it. The future of remote work isn't just about convenience, it's about creating experiences that are more engaging and dynamic than ever before. Interactive. Imagine presenting your quarterly results with a holographic pie chart that you can rotate, zoom in, and explode to show specific data points in a more detailed manner. Your audience can interact with the presentation in real time, asking questions, manipulating the visuals, and even highlighting areas to get a better understanding. It's not just a presentation, it's an immersive, interactive experience that keeps everyone engaged, informed, and actively participating. Interactive. But how do you stay productive in this futuristic landscape? Enter interactive workflows that streamline your tasks. Imagine a dashboard that adapts to your work style, providing real-time insights and suggestions to optimize your tasks and workflow. AI algorithms analyze your habits, work patterns, and offer personalized tips to enhance your efficiency and productivity. It's like having a virtual coach that helps you become the best version of yourself, guiding you through every step. Excited. Global collaboration has never been easier. With real-time language translation and cultural context awareness, Working with international teams feels seamless. Your team can be truly global, bringing together the best talent from around the world. And guess what? You'll feel like you're all in the same room, sharing ideas and building the future together. Concerned. But what about health and well-being? Working remotely in 2040 means prioritizing your health like never before. Ergonomic furniture, AI-driven health monitoring, and wellness breaks are integrated into your daily routine. Your virtual office even adjusts lighting and sound to reduce stress and enhance focus. Remember, a healthy worker is a happy worker. Engaging. Your workspace isn't just a place to work, it's a holistic environment designed for your well-being. Proud. And let's not forget the environmental impact. Remote work in 2040 is a game changer for sustainability. With fewer people commuting, carbon footprints have shrunk dramatically. Virtual offices mean less need for physical infrastructure, reducing waste and promoting a greener planet. We're not just working smarter, we're working sustainably. Inspirational. The future of remote work is here, and it's more exciting than we ever imagined. It's a revolution in how we approach our daily tasks. Virtual reality, AI assistants, holographic displays, and interactive workflows are transforming the way we work, collaborate, and live. These advancements are reshaping our professional landscape. It's a brave new world, and the possibilities are endless. The horizon is filled with opportunities. Imaginative. Think about it. What will your workday look like in 2040? Imagine the innovations that will define our future. Will you start your morning with a virtual team meeting on a simulated mountaintop? The boundaries of our workspaces are expanding. Will your AI assistant help you navigate complex projects with ease? Imagine the efficiency and creativity this will bring. The future is not just about technology, it's about enhancing our lives, making work more fulfilling, and creating opportunities we never dreamed possible. It's about a better balance and a brighter future. Engaging. Excited about the future of work? So are we. Don't miss out on more incredible insights and futuristic explorations. Subscribe to the Imagine channel and join us on this journey into the future. Hit that subscribe button now and stay ahead of the curve. Warm. Thank you for watching. Remember, the future is what we make it. Let's imagine it together. See you next time on the Imagine channel.